Hello students, today we are going to consider first chapter of algebra, that is linear equations in two variables. We must know what is the meaning of linear equations. The equations which contain two variables of degree 1 are called linear equations in two variables. So first we must know what is the standard form of that linear equation. So the standard form is given by ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So in this equation, x and y, these are two variables, and a, b, c, these are real numbers which are non-zero. We shall consider some example. X plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. This is the equation of This is an example of linear equation in two variables because two variables are there, x and y. Another example, we consider 3x plus 4y equals to 9. This is also example of linear equation in two variables. Now, let's consider what is the meaning of simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations are the equations with two variables for which we get a unique common solution. When we get a unique common solution, then the equations are called simultaneous linear equations. For example, 2x plus y minus 6 equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. When we solve these two equations, then we get unique solution. Means we will get some value of x, we will get some value of y. Okay, then these values of variables will satisfy the equations and they are called as solution of given equations. Now we consider practice set 1.1. In practice set 1.1, you have asked complete the activity to solve the simultaneous equations. There is 5x plus 3y equals to 9, 2x minus 3y equals to 12. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. When we add these equations 1 and 2, we get 5x plus 3y equals to 9. When we add these two equations, plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled. 5x plus 2x is 7x. Here 9 plus 12 is 21. Therefore, x equals to, here 7 multiply, here it comes divide. So 7 3 is 21. We get x equals to 3. Okay. Now when we place x equals to 3 in equation 1, we place 3 there. So 5 multiply 3 plus 3y equals to 9. We solve this. It becomes 15 plus 3y equals to 9. 15 plus, here it comes minus. So 9 minus 15. Okay. So 9 minus 15 becomes minus 6. 3 multiply, here it comes divide, and you get minus 2. We have got unique solution of x and y. So we got x equals to 3 and y equals to minus 2. And therefore, solution set, we write here solution set xy is 3 minus 2. So in your textbook, you have to complete all these boxes. Now question 2 is asked, solve the following simultaneous equations. First is 3a plus 5b equals to 26, a plus 5b equals to 22. So we have to solve these two equations. So first we give names to these equations 1 and 2. So you can see the coefficient of b is same here. So we shall subtract equation 1 and 2. So we are going to write here equations again. When you subtract these equations, you can see here sign is change, here sign is change, here sign is change. So plus 5b minus 5b will get cancelled. 3a minus a, that is 2a. 26 minus 22, that will become 4. Here 2 multiply, here it comes divide, and you will get the value of a is 2. Now we are going to substitute this a equals to 2 in any one of the equation. So I will put in equation 2, equation 2 implies a plus 5b. So we are going to put a as 2. We shall write here 2 plus 5b equals to 22. You can see plus 2 is here. Here it comes minus 2. 22 minus 2 is 20. So 5 multiply, here it comes divide. So 5 4 is 20. We got b equals to 4. So we got a equals to 2 and b equals to 4. That is unique solution for the given equations. So therefore, solution set. The solution set we shall write here as 2, 4. This is the first question from your question 2. Now we shall consider second problem. Second problem is x plus 7y equals to 10, 3x minus 2y equals to 7. Let's give the name equation 1, equation 2. You can see the coefficients are different. Here coefficient of x is 1, here coefficient of x is 3. Here coefficient of y is 7, here coefficient of y is minus 2. So we are going to make any one of the coefficients same of any one of the variable. एक तो x का वेरिएबल x वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम बनाओ, मैं तो y वेरिएबल का कोएफिशिएंट सेम बनाओ. तो आई एम गोइंग टू मेक द कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x as 3. So I am going to multiply this equation 1 by 3. So equation 1 implies multiply by 3 here 3x plus 3 7s are 21, 3 10s are 30. So let we write equation 3. Now you can see that equation 1 has coefficient of x 3 here, and equation 2 and equation 3 they are ready to solve. So when we subtract equation 2 and 3, we will get some particular solution. So we are going to subtract 2 from 3. So we shall write equation 3 first. 3x plus 21y equals to 30. Equation 2 here, 3x minus 2y equals to 7. So let's subtract. Sign changes, plus का minus, minus का plus, plus का minus. So 3x minus 3x will get cancelled. 21y plus 2y, that is 23y. Here 30 minus 7, it becomes 23. Here 23 is multiply, here it comes divide. So it will cancel and we will get 1. So we got y equals to 1. Now we put y equals to 1 in any of the equation. So I'm going to put in equation 1. So equation 1 implies x plus 7y. Y is 1. Here's 10. So 7 was a 7. Now plus 7. There it comes minus 7. So it becomes 3. So therefore we have got x equals to 3 and y equals to 1. So I'm going to write here solution xy is, value of x is 3 and value of y is 1, and this is our final answer. Now we are going to consider third example from your question 2. The equations are 2x minus 3y equals to 9, 2x plus y equals to 13, equation 1, equation 2. Now you can see that coefficients of x is 2, coefficient of x is 2, they are same. So we can directly subtract equation 1 and 2. So it becomes 2x minus 3y equals to 9. We are going to write equation again. So subtract equation 1 and 2. So sign changes, plus minus, minus ka plus, a plus ka a minus. So 2x minus 2x cancelled, minus 3y minus 1y. Now don't consider this plus sign. So minus 3y minus y, minus 4y, 9, 9 minus 13. So 9 minus 13 becomes minus 4. Here minus 4 multiply, here it comes divide. So minus 4 cancelled, and we got y equals to 1. Now put y equals to 1 in any of the equation. I'm going to put this value in equation 2. Equation 2 becomes 2x plus y is 1 equals to 13, and plus 1, here it comes minus 1. 13 minus 1 becomes 12. So 2x as it is here. Now to multiply, here it comes divide. 12 upon 2, that is 2 6. We got x equals to 6. Okay. So therefore, solution xy is 6, 1. In this way, we have solved third problem. Now let's consider fourth problem, that is 5m minus 3n equals to 19, m minus 6n equals to minus 7. So let's we give this equation 1, equation 2. Now you can see that coefficients are different. Coefficient of m is 5, here there is 1. Coefficient of n is minus 3, here is minus 6. So let's make any one of the coefficient equal. तो आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं क्वेश्चन 2 में n का कोएफिशिएंट -6 है, यहाँ पे -3. अगर इक्वेशन 1 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए तो ये -6 बन जाएगा, यानी कोएफिशिएंट n के सेम बन जाएंगे. तो इक्वेशन 1 को हम 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स 10m minus 6n, 2 19s are 38, 2 5s are 10, 2 minus 3 minus 6, 2 19, 30, 38. So let's solve equation 2 and 3. So we are going to subtract equation 2 and 3. So it becomes 1m minus 6n equals to minus 7, 10m minus 6n equals to 38. So let's subtract here. So sign changes, plus or minus, minus ka plus, a plus ka a minus. Okay, minus 6n plus 6n will get cancelled. 1m minus 10m, it becomes minus 9m. Minus 7 minus 38, it becomes minus 45. So you can see here minus 9 is multiply, here it comes divide. So 9 5s are 45. So it becomes m equals to 5. So we got value of m as 5. Now put this value in any one of the equation. That is simple. So we are going to put this value in equation 2. It becomes m. M is 5 minus 6n equals to minus 7. So you can see a minus 6n as it is. A plus 5 here, it becomes minus 5. Minus 7 minus 5 minus 12 minus 6 multiply, here it comes divide. So 6 2s are minus minus plus, so it becomes 2. So thus we got solution xy as not xy, We are going to write here mn. The value of m is 5 and the value of n is 2. In this way, we have got the value of mn as 5 2. Now we are going to solve question 5, problem 5 from question 2. So that is 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3, x plus 5y equals to 4. So this is first part, this is first equation, this is second equation. Now you can see no coefficients are same. So we can make coefficient of x same. If we multiply by 5 here, so it becomes 5x, here it becomes 25y, here it becomes 20. So we are going to multiply equation 2 by 5. Okay, so it becomes 5x plus 25y 20. So this is equation 3. Okay. Now this equation 1 and equation 3 we are going to subtract. So equation 1 minus equation 3 implies, so I am going to write equation again, 5x plus 2y equals to minus 3, 5x plus 25y as 20. So let's subtract. So sign changes, plus ka minus, a plus ka minus. So 5x minus 5x will get cancelled. 2y minus 25y. So it becomes minus 23y. Here minus 3 minus 20, that is minus 23. Now minus 23 multiply, here it comes, divide. Minus 23 upon minus 23, that is 1. So we got the value of y as 1. Now put this y in any one of the equations. So the simple equation is 2. So I am going to write equation 2 here. So equation 2 implies x plus 5y, y is 1, equals to 4. So it becomes x plus 5 equals to 4. So plus 5, here it comes minus 5. So 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So we got the value of x as minus 1. So therefore, solution xy is minus 1, 1. This is the solution for fifth problem from question 2. Now we are going to consider sixth question. Sixth problem from your question 2 is 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 10 upon 3, 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals to 11 upon 4. Let we give this equation 1 and equation 2. Now you can see the denominators of denominators you can see here. There is 3. Okay, here denominator is 1. Okay, so we can make denominators same. Here the coefficient of x is 1 upon 3. Here coefficient of x is 2. Okay, if I multiply equation 1 by 3, then the coefficients become same. इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, 3 into 1 by 3x, 3y, 3 into 10 by 3. Okay, so 3 will get cancelled. Here 3 will get cancelled. We will get x plus 3y equals to 10. So let's give equation 3 here. Now you can see the coefficient of x is 2. Here coefficient of x is 1. So you can multiply by 2 to this equation. Now multiply by 2 above equation, you will get 2x plus 6y 20. Okay, now let's we give this name, give this equation as equation 3. Now you can see coefficients are same, here 2x, here 2x. Okay, if we subtract equation 2 minus 3, you will get the solution for that. So what I'm going to do, just subtract equation 2 and equation 3. So it becomes 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals to 11 upon 4, and here 2x plus 6y equals to 20. So let's subtract this equation. So sign changes, plus the minus, plus the minus, plus the minus. So 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Now you can see 1 upon 4y minus 6y. Here we are going to solve. And here 11 upon 4 minus 20. So we can solve this by cross multiplication. If we solve like this, we will get 1y minus 24y upon 4. Here cross multiply. 11 ones are 11. Here 24 are 80. Here 4 ones are 4. 1y minus 24y, that is minus 23y. Here you can cancel 4 multiplying by 4 both sides, you will get 4 cancelled. So here in the numerator minus 3y is left. 11 minus 80. So if we subtract 11 minus 80, so it becomes 69. So minus 69. So 23 is multiply here, it becomes divide. So 23 3s are minus minus plus, and it becomes value of y is 3. So we got the value of y is 3. If we put this y equal to 3 in any one of the equation, you will get x. So I'm going to put this y equals to 3 in equation 1. So it becomes 1 upon 3x plus y. Y is 3 equals to 10 upon 3. Now plus 3, here it becomes minus 3. So 10 upon 3 minus 3. You can solve it. 10 minus 9 upon 3. Okay. So it becomes 10 minus 9 is 1. 1 upon 3. 3 will get cancelled, and it becomes x equals to 1. So therefore our solution is 1 and 3. Solution xy is 1 3. So this is our required answer. Now next we are going to consider seventh problem from this question 2. There is 99x plus 101y equals to 499. Another equation is 101x plus 99y equals to 501. Let's we give equation 1, equation 2. So you can see here coefficient of x is 99. Here coefficient of y is 99. Here coefficient of y is 101. Here coefficient of x is 101. In cross you can see the coefficients are same. अगर क्रॉस में कोएफिशिएंट्स अगर सेम रहते हैं तो फर्स्ट स्टेप वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड दिस इक्वेशन. तो you will get 99x plus 101y equals to 499. I'm going to write equation again. 101x plus 99y equals to 501. So let's add this equation first. So it becomes 200x. Here it becomes 200y. Here it becomes 1000. Now you can see that 200x plus 200y is 1000. So if we divide by 200 both sides, so you will get, I'm going to write here step dividing by 200 both sides. So what will happen? 200x को 200 से divide किया, 200y is divided by 200, and 1000 is also divided by 200. So what will happen? 200 cancel, 200 cancel, 200 5 is 1000. So it becomes x plus y equals to 5. So we got this equation 3. Now we are going to subtract equation 1 and 2, because this is a method for solving such type of equations. Equation 1 minus equation 2 implies, I'm going to write equation here again, 99x plus 101y equals to 499. 101x plus 99y equals to 501 means 501. Subtract here. What will happen? Sign changes, plus ka minus, plus ka minus, plus ka minus. So 99x minus 101x, it becomes minus 2x. 101y minus 19y, it becomes 2y. But 499 minus 501, that becomes minus 2. So dividing by minus 2, it becomes minus 2x upon minus 2, 2y upon minus 2, and minus 2 upon minus 2. What will happen? Minus 2 will get cancelled. So it becomes x, plus minus minus, 2 cancel, it becomes y, and minus 2 cancel, it becomes 1 here. Now let's we give this equation as 4. Now you are going to solve equation 3 and 4 simultaneously. So equation 3 and 4 we are going to add. So it becomes x plus y equals to 5, x minus y equals to 1. So let's add them. So plus y minus 1 y will get cancelled. X plus x, 2x, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 2 multiplies here, here it becomes divide. So 6 is divided by 2, it becomes 3. Therefore x equals to 3 we got here. Now this x equal to 3, you are going to put in any one of the simple equation, either 3 or 4. I am to clear this here. Hope you have written all these things. So I'm going to put x equals to 3 in any one of the equation. So I'm going to use equation 3. So there is x plus y is 5. So x की जगह हम 3 put करेंगे. So plus 3 here it becomes minus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2. And we got another value of y. So therefore solution you can write xy as 3, 2. In the same way, by using such type of such steps, you can solve question 8 also. So that is 49x minus 57y equals to 172, and 57x minus 49y minus equals to 252. So I'm leaving this problem for you. So first you have to add the equations, then subtract the equations. You will get equation 3 and 4. Solve them simultaneously and you will get the value of x and y. So students, I hope you have understood all these questions from the exercise from the problem set is 1.1. So if you got any difficulty, you can write in my comment box. Tab tak ke liye, have a nice day. Thank you.